Hey everyone! Choosing the right broker is one of the most important decisions you'll make when starting your investing journey, and today, I'll help you figure out how to pick the one that fits you best. Let's start with the basics. First, think about what kind of investor you are. Are you a beginner who just wants to buy and hold a few stocks? Or are you an active trader who needs advanced tools, fast execution, and low fees? Your answer here will guide everything else. Next, look at fees and commissions. Many brokers offer commission-free trading, especially for US stocks and ETFs. But keep an eye out for hidden fees on things like withdrawals, inactivity, or trading non-standard assets like options or crypto. User interface matters too. You want a platform that's clean, easy to use, and not overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. Try out a demo account if they offer one, or at least take a look at walkthrough videos or screenshots. Now, let's talk about investment options. Some brokers focus on just stocks and ETFs, while others let you invest in mutual funds, bonds, Forex, crypto, and even alternative assets. Make sure the broker offers access to the markets you care about. Another big one, research tools and education. Some platforms give you in-depth analytics, stock screeners, and educational videos, which are super helpful if you want to grow your investing skills over time. And don't forget customer support. Something goes wrong, you'll want a broker that has solid customer service, whether that's live chat, phone support, or a good help center. Finally, make sure your broker is regulated and trusted. Depending on where you live, look for regulatory bodies like the SEC, US, FCA, UK, ASIC, Australia, or others. This helps ensure your funds are protected and that the broker plays by the rules. So yeah, choosing a broker isn't just about picking the one with the prettiest app. It's about matching your goals with the right tools, costs, and features. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment letting me know which broker you're currently using or thinking of switching to.